In this video, we show you how to register and use the My Medbox features of the online library Medbox. My Medbox allows you to create a personal profile, create your own folders and libraries with your relevant documents for direct access. In addition, My News helps you to keep up to date for your preferred categories. To start using the benefits of My Medbox, you'll first need to register your own personal account. Simply fill out the short registration form with your email address, create a safe password, and accept the terms and conditions. Once you have registered, you can log in to complete your profile and select your preferred categories and toolboxes. It is possible to change those preferences at any time. You are now ready to use My Medbox and start saving documents to your personal library. To save documents to your own My Medbox library, simply click on Add to My Medbox. A dialog window will ask you to select a folder in your library or allow you to create a new folder on the fly. Select Add Document and the item will appear directly in your private storage. The folder structure will help you maintain a clear overview of your documents. In addition to creating your own libraries, you can select your favourite categories and toolboxes in your profile preferences. Simply choose from topics from the drop-down menu and click Save. If you selected your preferred topics, you will then be able to see the latest document uploads for these categories and toolboxes under My News. This allows you to keep track of the most recent developments that are relevant for your work. So, head to medbox.org and register your account and create your own My Medbox library today. Learn more about Medbox and the different useful features in our other videos. Thanks for watching. Medbox, the Aid Library. Tools to simplify your life.